Hi Sam. It's great to see you again. Today, we are learning the word
Thema.
Hi Alex.
Thema.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Thema.
means topic or subject in English. It's commonly used in discussions or presentations. The most common meaning is topic, but be careful because in English, theme can also sound similar but has a different nuance.
Good to know. Is
Thema.
a noun.
Yes, it is a noun. In German, we say
Das Thema.
the plural form is,
Die Themen.
and it's a neuter noun, so you can remember it by thinking of it as something like an abstract concept.
That makes sense. How do you use
Thema.
in sentences?
In the present tense, you might say,
Ich finde das Thema spannend.
which means I find the topic exciting. If we look at the past tense, you would say,
Ich fand das Thema langweilig.
meaning I found the topic boring. In perfect, you would say,
Ich habe das Thema diskutiert.
which means I discussed the topic. And if you want to give a command, you could say,
Diskutiere das Thema.
meaning discuss the topic.
That's really useful. Can you tell me more about where the word comes from?
Sure. The word
Thema.
comes from Latin,
Thema.
which means a subject or a proposition. It has been used in various forms since the Middle Ages, and its meaning has evolved to include anything from academic topics to casual discussion subjects.
Wow, that's fascinating. How does the word break down?
Good question. The word
Thema.
itself is not a compound word, so we can't break it into parts like some other German words. However, you can think of it as a building block for related words like,
Themenbereich.
which means topic area. Here
Themen.
is the plural of
Thema.
and
Bereich.
means area.
I see. Are there other words related to
Thema.
Absolutely. For example,
Themenwechsel.
means topic change, where
Wechsel.
means change. Then there's
Themenabend.
which is topic evening or a themed evening event. Also, with the prefix
Unter.
you have,
Unterthema.
meaning subtopic.
That's helpful. What about similar words?
Sure. Here are a few more. With the same prefix we have
Uninteressant.
meaning uninteresting. Another one is,
Themenliste.
which is topic list. You might also find
Themenforschung.
meaning topic research.
Those are great examples. Could you give me some situations where I might use
Thema.
Of course. Imagine you're in a meeting at work. You could say,
Das Thema der Sitzung ist wichtig.
meaning the topic of the meeting is important. Or, if you're in a classroom, you might say,
Welches Thema sollen wir heute besprechen?
meaning which topic should we discuss today? Lastly, if you're traveling, you could ask,
Was ist das Thema dieser Ausstellung?
meaning what is the topic of this exhibition?
Let me try that.
Das Thema der Sitzung ist wichtig.
Perfect. That sounded great.
How about the gender of
Thema.
any tips?
Yes. Since it's neuter, you can remember it with the ending, which often indicates a neuter noun in German. You can also visualize a topic as a blank canvas, waiting to be filled.
That's a fun way to remember it. Are there any common phrases or collocations with
Thema.
Yes, definitely. You often hear phrases like,
Ein wichtiges Thema.
meaning an important topic,
Ein aktuelles Thema.
which is a current topic, and
Das Thema aufgreifen.
meaning to take up the topic. Just be aware not to confuse
Thema.
with,
Motiv.
which means motive and has a different context.
I'll keep that in mind. Can you give me a few example sentences?
Sure. Here are a few.
Das Thema ist komplex.
Means the topic is complex. You could say,
Ich habe über das Thema nachgedacht.
meaning I thought about the topic. Or even,
Wir haben das Thema ausführlich diskutiert.
which means we discussed the topic in detail.
This is really great. So, what were the key points we've learned today about
Thema.
Let's recap. We covered that.
Thema.
Means topic, it's a neuter noun, and we discussed its origins in Latin. We explored similar words and how to use it in different situations.
I think I've got it. But can you quiz me a bit to check my understanding?
Of course. First question, what is the plural of?
Thema.
Die Themen.
Correct. Next, can you give me the meaning of?
Unterthema.
Subtopic.
Yes, well done. What gender is?
Thema.
It's neuter.
Right again. How do you say I discussed the topic in German?
Ich habe das Thema diskutiert.
Perfect. And last question, what does
Themenwechsel.
mean?
Topic change.
Exactly. You're doing great, Sam.
Thanks, Alex. This was really helpful. I feel more confident using
Thema.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, using new words in context will help you retain them better. Keep practicing, and I look forward to our next session.